They'll start out this morning in doing a marching dance for us this morning. So let's welcome them with a round of applause. Am I lying so?
Board Lebanon, Nan Margian Waynet. With the same deep respect, I pay tribute to Zobun and Magal of the Chuk state. Deep respect to the Belungs of the Yap state. And deep respect I pay tribute to the Tokorsra of Kushal. I pay tribute to all the councils of chiefs, elders, and all traditional leaders of the FSM. Thank you for your guidance, for preserving our culture, and for your continued care for our people. I would like to recognize with great honor His Excellency Wesley W. Simna, the good President of the Federated States of Micronesia. I also recognize with honor the Honorable Stephen A. Joseph, Governor of Pohnpei State, and great honor and respect to the Governor of Chuk, Yap, and Kushai. I would like to recognize with honor the Lieutenant Governor of Pohnpei State and also the Lieutenant Governors of the other states of the FSM. Great honor and respect to members of the Congress, Legislature, and all our government officials. Thank you for your service and leadership to our 4 states. And to all our invited guests, partners, elders, women leaders, youths, and everyone here today, I greet you with love and respect. It is a privilege to stand before such distinguished leaders and members of our 4 states and communities. Again, thank you all. Thank you to our traditional leaders for your blessings and to our government leaders for your support. May we continue to work together for the good of our people. Thank you. Thank you all. And God bless us all. God bless the FSM. God bless Micronesia and the whole Pacific Islands. Thank you.
Hoy! Sari! Tama na luto? And Shikak recover. Dami Shikak. Naluto ba? Sari. Hoy. Let's recover na. Mia, isang recover. Itong kate, ayaw mo ang porta. Ay, blue kate ka, blue porta. Ano yung kate? Sorry. Lain, yo lang na yung kala. Katrian mau ke? Pahrek saja katanya. Ayam yang terus, ada nombor kan? Ya, udah lama order. Ya. Baik ya. Ya teman.
Ito ang arawan na. Yan! Sok na polis! Ito ang arawan! Oh, waso, wapwese, lapiye. Oh, waso, wapwese, lapiye. Lap, medyo pat. Pohnpei, itieri may weto.
Kamorale na ini. Tap. Ayo.
Anak saya lublob cuma mana ka pinakabunwinet. Anak saya beliau kesekian hier, lublob. Applaus. State of Yap, please prepare. After this item from Mughal law, you're next. Also, the state of Chuk, get yourself ready, as well as the state of Pushai. So let's welcome the youth from Mughal law with a round of applause. Nagtry loob ki, mana ka po pinakabing Mughal law.
Good morning, everyone. Let me begin by paying my utmost respect to all the traditional, government, religious leaders, and all distinguished guests. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. It is a great honor for us to be here at the 2026 Kamorale Expo and to have the opportunity to share a part of our culture with you all. My group and I are from the islands of Okinawa. Today, we are proud to perform the Chupugi Purano, a traditional war dance that has been passed down through generations. This performance tells the story of Mughalese warriors who became possessed by powerful spirits, giving them extraordinary courage and strength to set out for battle. This dance reflects our history, our traditions, and our identity as proud Mughalese people. Through this performance, we are proud to share an important part of our culture and heritage with you all. Thank you, and we hope you enjoy.
broadcasting test one. Kita mga bulong Mogullo. Ren Pwuhng na bulong ki. Mana ka po pinagabulong Mogullo. May I ask the Yapis? Your turn. Please come forward for your item. After the Yapis, we will have the Chukis to do some cultural performance and then the Kushayan. So, the Yap community, it's your time now. After Kushai, we have a special item from the youth of Pwuhng. And then after that, the Yap community will take out the stone money, which is right here in front. And then we'll end our session for today. Let's welcome the Yapis with a round of applause. Looking what they're carrying with them, I believe they will demonstrate how they make lava lava. I think only the state of Yap that's still holding on how to make their own lava from the olden times up to now. They're asking all the audiences, if you have any questions or want to understand something, you're more than welcome to come up close and ask the question or see how they're doing their lava.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. To the Pohnpei, Mensang Mau. Kosayan, Tua. I'm sorry, Chukis, good morning. I don't know. Oh, I remember. Nasaranin. Thank you very much. Kamorale, everyone. Thank you. Anyway, as being a young man standing on the stage, this yappies over here doesn't want to let go of me. So that's proof that I'm the best looking man in Yap. As I mentioned in our presentation yesterday, in Yap, things start from younger generations. The young girls, they don't start learning how to weave lava at the old age. They learn at the young age. So today, two young girls are here to demonstrate how to fix lava. Lava in Yap is not new. We didn't inherit from other countries. It was traditionally from the state of Yap, and it is from the outer islands. Lava, as far as I know, there are three stages. Two stages are not allowed to be wrapped around our bodies because it belongs to the chief. It belongs to the village of Kadkadaur in Gagil municipality. And one woven by the Faiz people. And one start from Faiz to Mogmog, then come all the way to Yap main island, and that is Kadkadaur in Gagil municipality. The other type is what these two ladies are trying to demonstrate. Before any weaving can begin, the process starts with the men of the community. Men of the community. Why? Because they craft the traditional tools needed to produce the lava. So all those woods are being provided by men. Carve, cut, smooth, make it smooth. All the works are done by men. The first tool they make is the manual. And I believe the manual is in front of this lady. Over here in the yellow lava. The manual consists of 5 wooden sticks carefully arranged so the thread can be measured, counted, and wound in the correct order to create the wrap, which forms the foundation of the lava-lava. Today we are using strings, I mean thread. The high-rank lava-lava are made of banana fibers and hibiscus fibers, and this practice is still on today. The outer islanders are using thread because much easier to buy from the store. But to fix lava-lava for the chief, they always use banana fibers and hibiscus fibers. The second tool is the whistle, the traditional backstrap loom used for weaving. And I believe that lady in the white shirt has the whistle. The whistle is made up of 3 main wooden components that are assembled once the wrap has been prepared. One end of the loom is secured to fix an object, while the other is attached to a strap worn around the weaver's back, allowing the weaver to control the tension of the thread simply by adjusting her body position. According to the Outer Island tradition, the very first lava-lava woven using a newly crafted set of tools is presented to the man who made them. This is a way of honoring his craftsmanship and recognizing his contribution to the weaving process before the tools are used to create lava-lavas for others. So the man who cut all the woods, cut them smooth, prepare them for the lava-lava, present them to the ladies. The very first lava-lava will be going to that man. Step 1, how to fix the lava-lava. Women use natural fibers available on their islands. Today, many weavers use durable cotton thread while continuing to practice the same traditional weaving techniques. Before weaving can begin, every thread must be carefully measured, counted, and arranged. This preparation is essential as it determines the size, quality, and pattern of the finished lava-lava. Next, the threads are arranged to form the wrap, which is the foundation of the entire lava-lava. The threads are carefully placed on a wrapping frame and kept under even tension. Each thread must be positioned carefully according to the pattern the weaver intends to create. Proper tension is critical to produce a cloth that is both straight and strong. Once the wrap has been prepared, it is transferred onto traditional backstrap loom where the weaving begins. On the, one end of the loom is secured to fix the object, while the other is attached to a strap worn around the weaver's back. The weaver controls the tension of the thread simply by adjusting her body position, allowing the precise control throughout the weaving process. The weaver passes each weft thread over one wrapped thread and under the next, gradually building the fabric row by row. As this process continues, the beautiful parents of the lava begin to emerge. As you can see that she's working on it right now. When we talk about the loom, what I just read is, I'm talking about the lady in the white shirt. The way she worked on her lava. It is a lot of work. It is a lot of work, but when she finished, yes, you could admire her work with a big happy heart, happy smile on your face, and you would love to thank her for her contribution to you or to the community or to the family. As the cloth grows, the weaver continually checks the tension and carefully adjusts the weaver to ensure the fabric remains even. As you could see, that she was grabbing that, adjusting. And that's why the lines are so straight and the parents are really straightforward. Every section requires patience. Depend on the desired design. Different traditional patterns can be incorporated into the finishing lava. It is depend on its size and design. A single lava may take several days or even weeks to complete. And we just mentioned, and you can see with your own eyes, it is a lot of work. Takes a lot of time, takes a lot of patience. Weaving remains one of the most treasured traditions of the Yap Outer Islands. It is a skill passed down through generations, preserving not only the craft itself, but also the values, history, and identity of our people. The lava is deeply woven into every aspect of our island's life. It is respected, treasured, and highly valued within our communities. Beyond being a traditional attire, it serves many important cultural purposes. It is presented through marriage and offered when seeking forgiveness or reconciliation. Exchanged as gifts to express appreciation and affection, and used during ceremonies and other significant occasions. There are many different types of lavas, each distinguished by its own unique patterns and traditional name. Some are woven specifically for particular ceremonies and purposes. One type, for example, is worn by men around the waist while performing important ceremonies function. And this lava for men is what I have on right now. So if you come to Yap and you want to buy lavas, please do ask whether you want lava for women or for men. That is, about 2 or 3 years ago, we received a yacht in Yap. An Italian men, they bought lava for women. And they wrapped it around themselves because they thought it's for men and women. And it was one of the Yepis men who stood up and corrected them. So they exchanged. Instead of using the woman, they were given men's lava-lava. Today we want to thank you for joining us, for allowing us to share a small but meaningful part of the rich cultural heritage of the Yap Outer Islands. Lava-lava, it's still on news today. What we just read, it's just not by word, but it is our tradition, our heritage, our identity. Up until today, lava-lava is still used and still be respected. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to see how they fix the lava-lava, you are very much welcome to come closer and take a closer look. Please come forward if you are willing to come and take a closer look. There you go. You're from Pohnpei? Kosain? That's a real Kosain man. There you go. There you go, gentlemen.
Please come forward to see how they're doing the lava-lava. I think those that doing Pohnpei skirt, it's good that you learn how to make the fabric first. So 100% you can profit from, instead of buying the materials from the store.
And for the Catholic Church in Yap, the priest got their stone fixed using the parent of lava-lava. The stone the priest used in Catholic Church. Yep. It is the parent of lava-lava.
Ya, mau tu teh olah rasa.
Macam Kosain, kau lunch eh? And when you put your thread on the floor, sometimes it's thrown, you know. As you can see.
Very, very, very delicate process. Yeah. It's impressive. What is the other way? Once in a while she takes that and walks up.
So once you split it, then a net cannot split.
It's coming off.
If you try it, you cannot
So
lift
she
it.
does that.
Only women can know how to do it. You can lift it, but that's how I'm trained. We'll see. Now, one of the threads, you see? So she's going to correct it. She can correct it while... So if you don't know the technique, you can lift, but the threads are not really separate. So one of the threads...
Metal stay check.
Hard work, eh? Hard work. Hey, how long? The best today we can finish one. How long it takes? If you do it full time, you can finish it in one day. But usually they only do it during their free time. Even now. See, she just started from now. So if you work at your work on it like full time, you can finish it in one day.
Thank you for showing us that. It's amazing. You're very graceful too. Yeah. Yeah. It's like a dance. It's like a dance.
Ulunway kambil puri yang mo igila, eh?
So the one she's fixing over is like the one she's throwing.
Yeah, but that's the initial part. So you do the process, the pattern there, then you transfer it here. This is where you weave it. So after this, that's the first thing. You finish from there, and then you remove from that machine there, then you put it on this one. So, bukan na nga muyang. So this is the hardest part, I was saying, this one. Only with certain techniques, you can also lift it. Ruben! Ruben! Mawa.
Nah, makan agak lagi yang ano. Yak is lava.
You can fix the lava and then do the skirt out of it.
Those of you who want to get a lava, please visit the Yap booth. It's on that side. You may able to get one lava for you. But this is the demonstration of how the Yapis continue their culture in making lava. Or Pohnpeians we call it the goat tree.
Nah, cara sang itu. Ako din ito ako dito ay
Let's give the Yappies a round of applause for their demonstration. Let's give the Yappies another round of applause, please. Our next item on our program this morning is a performance from the Pwuhng delegation. So, Pwuhng, it is your floor now. Those of you who want to learn more about the Yappies Lava Lava, please visit the Yap booth so you can ask all the questions that you're holding on. Kushai, please prepare. You're after Pwuhng. After Pwuhng, after Kushai, one item from Pohnpei, and then the Yappies will come in to carry out their ceremonial for carrying out the Yapstone money, which is here in front. Let's give the Pwuhngis a round of applause, please. The warriors of Pwuhng who always go on picnic.
Thank you, Tricia. Before we proceed, we would like to express our most respect to the traditional leaders of the beautiful islands of Pohnpei and distinguished ladies and gentlemen.
as we said earlier at the beginning of this expo, that a little bit history of this dancing, which is it actually is a combination of fighting techniques which combine together and form a dance. So what we are to witness today is some of the fighting techniques with sticks, the Portuguese warriors. The name of our team is Rhythm Warriors, actually from a very tiny island in the border of the Chuk state named Kadkadaur Island. Thank you. Stay back, relax, and enjoy. Come up. Yes, I want you. Yes, kita mulai. Mulai nasi. Terus mulai. Mulai pas. Mulai nasi, terus mulai. Panloli cepat marah. Cepat marah. Cepat. Nama se iko mulai pas. Saban unity to na nase. Mula pa. Nase to nase. Panloli cepat marah. Nama se iko mulai. We will dance until we fell on the floor. Okay, so what? Standing position. Yes, sampai serbuk. Serbuk. Wapa. Sawa isibisibilo ko lang kami sa level, oh. Ako na ita. Kapari. Pwede ito. Ha? Wala ita. Sa siwa, ha? Sama duri tim pesan level lo. Boleh tak? Sudah pesan level lo. Kita rumah. Pesan dia masuk rumah saya hilang dan rumah tak. Let's watch this. Segera break on YouTube mas. Sorgosan sub. Unity! Babas Pwuhng ya. Pwuhng pupun. Boleh emula. Wow, Asmara Sora, Kuota Tito, Wali Kabulong, Opule, Mas, Kuota Tito, Wali Kabulong, Opule, Sipasala, Ulufan, Kamperuman, Sipokas, 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 Kakapa, Hello now. Harmony, very good, 100%.
Rain and shine, rain and shine. One more. Yes, mulai dua-dua ni oh. Nada, mulai.
Sampai Kamorale mo to pa.
Wala tayo sa probability. Severity. Sabay Selamat buat orang semuanya. Pohnpei. Selamat. All okay? All okay. Apa dulu ini dah serbu lagi? Yes, saya. Segera berikut. Sampai semua sampai lah. Saya ngoloran Kamorale Saroma. Kamorale.
Let's give them a round of applause. They are from Kutu, who's living in Nanpil, Pohnpei. So another round of applause. Now it is time for Kushai State. So may I call upon the Kushai performers to come in. The stage is yours. Kushayans, Paro, Katom. Pohnpei style. Rain or shine, we continue the performances. After Kushai, the last group from Pohnpei. Please prepare yourself.
Kamorale!
Good morning. Good morning. Distinguished guests, honored delegates, ladies and gentlemen, as we gather to celebrate the last day of the 2026 Micronesia Expo, the Kushai delegation is honored to share one of our island's most vibrant and meaningful cultural presentation, the traditional Sha Lo Tol stick dance. Deeply rooted in Kushaian history, Sha Lo Tol is more than just a dance, passed down through generations. It reflects the strength of people who have always depended on cooperation, mutual respect, and harmony within their communities. The wooden stick symbolized resilience and strength, while their rhythmic sounds echoes the heartbeat of our island. I present to you Sha Lo Tol stick dance. Please, round of applause. Level up, level up. A round of applause, please. Round of applause. I'm gonna call our girls to get on stage and perform the dance of Nepe.
Brilliant one.
Please help me give them a round of applause. At this time, we're going to present to you the next number, which we call the Crinoles of Koshai. Thank you, everyone. That is our presentation this morning. We ask you kindly tonight for more of our Kushayan presentations. Kuya Mangala.
Let's give Aloka a round of applause. Come on, it can be louder than that. One more. Two items left for us this morning. One performance from Pohnpei, the Municipal Youth, and then after that, to close out, the Yappies will do their ceremonial stone money carrying out from here. So let's welcome the youth from the Pwuhng. Yay Sharin, Pwuhng, but dahil loob kanir.
Kamorale. I'm Kasalelia. Once again, first, we'd like to pay respect to our Heavenly Father because of His blessings upon each and every one of us. We'd like to respect our tradition leaders, religion leaders, and government. We're also honored to stand before you guys today to share short performance passed by our ancestors. This dance represents the story of a family of four. A lady and her three sons who decided to travel to Pohnpei to live. Sailed to Pohnpei on a canoe and first landed in Wano, Kichi. Sailed to Nanimisa. So guys, they decided to sail further east while on the river Pwuhng. We saw this area called Pohnpei, where they made their final voyage to live there. And they named this place Likunpok in remembrance of their old home. Thank you.
Hey!
Pwuhng, guys. Yay, Sherin, awak, kawalian dua ilu pada pera, Pwuhng, guys. Last on our item, may I call the Yappies to come in to take their stone money out before we close our morning session. We have a lot of vendors at the back. Please take your time, see what is interesting, and help purchase some of their items. On this side, we have the agriculture booth. They're giving away gifts So please go sign up so you can be part of the draw, the raffle. We also have the FSM Tourism booth. We're also giving out raffle. So please visit so you can get some free gift. Let's welcome the Yappies folks with a round of applause.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, as you have seen about 3 days ago, carriers of stone money, it ain't much of an activity, but it's very important to us Yappies because we lost life in the ocean. We lost life of loved ones, and the memories of the loved ones that have been lost at sea still remain in our hearts until today. Most of our ancestors, we know them by names, through heart, but we never got a chance to meet them face to face. So this is our last, according to our culture, it is the carriage of stone money always be the last, first event of the celebration and last event of the celebration. So ladies and gentlemen, since we carry the stone money all the way here, now it's time for us to close and return with the stone money all the way to Yap. Thank you very much.
Let's give our brothers a round of applause. As I said at the beginning of the expo, the Europeans, the Americans thought that SWIFT banking they created, but no. The Yappies already created the wire transfer system way before the Europeans and the Americans with the stone money bank. If you ever visit Yap, each village in Yap, they have their own stone money bank. And behind each stone money, there's history to that bank, stone money. From small to the largest. So, this concludes our event for this morning. I thank you all for coming. And this evening, all performers, please make sure you come back. So we will have a closing ceremony at 6:30. Be here at 6 o'clock. So I thank you all for all the participation throughout this morning. Thank you and Kamorale to all of you. Band, please entertain. We will dance under the rain. Me and my wife will start the entertainment.